Hello everyone. Right now we're going to learn about the borders in CSS. So when you will design or develop a website, you must have to know the use of borders, and this is what we are going to create. So different style of borders we will learn in this lesson. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, so I need to take some more spaces in here. So in line number 28, I'm going to type h4 tag, and then I'm going to type dotted border. Again, I'm going to take h4 or heading 4 tag, and I'm going to type solid border. And then line number 30, again I'm going to take h4 and I'm going to write here double border. Okay, so three type of border I just written here. This is just an element, or this is just a text. So let me save it and let's have a look. So this is our text, but we will apply some border for this three text, and therefore we will apply the class. Okay, so let's learn how you will add borders for this three text, and we will do these things with the external CSS. Okay, so in line number 33, I have to create some class, and you know how to create class. You must have to use the dot, and I'm going to write here dotted, and then I have to put the curly bracket, and inside the curly bracket I have to declare the value, like properties and the value. So at first I need to declare the property. What will be the property for my dotted class? So I need to type border style. Okay, and once you will press tab, you will have some different type of suggestions. So as I was saying, you can see here a number of suggestions appeared, so you can put any border style from here. So as an example, I'm going to pick the dotted one from here. Okay, so I just use dotted, and now I'm going to create another class, and for the another class I'm going to type solid, and let me create the curly bracket. I have to follow the same process, border style, and now I'm going to write here solid. Okay, and let me create another class, and this class will be double, and inside the curly bracket I have to type border style, and I want to write here double. Okay, you can see here that I have created three different class, and now I need to add these classes with my h4 tags. So you can see here total three tags, total three line I have created with h4 or heading 4 tag, and now I need to add these classes, these three classes with here. Okay, so for dotted I will apply these dotted classes, for solid I will apply this solid class, and for double I will apply the double class. Okay, so let's start with the dotted first. So you know how to add the class. You just need to press a space before the greater than sign, and now you need to type class, and inside the opening and quotation mark you have to type the name of the class. So I written there dotted, and now let me save it. Okay, so you can see here border is applied for this dotted text. So you just seen a dotted border is added. Okay, now let's move with the solid and double. Now let me create a class, and let me type solid. Now let me save it, and you can see here the solid border is added for this text. And now I'm going to apply the double class double. Okay, now you can see that we got the perfect border for each text. So this is how you will apply the border in CSS. But If you need to customize the border radius, you can see here in the right side there are lots of empty spaces, but if you don't want that, you can easily customize these things. Let me show you how you will customize the border pixels. Therefore, we need to go to our external CSS file or style.css file, and in here we have to declare some more property and the value. So this is what I'm going to do right now. So let's start with the dotted first. Okay, so I need to place my mouse cursor before the closing curly bracket, or let me place these things, and after the semicolon I need to write width, and in here I'm going to type 150 pixel, and now let me save it. Okay, now you can see our border radius in right side is reduced and we got a perfect setup for our border. Okay, so this is how you will set up the border radius. So if you want to increase the width, in that case you just have to increase the width pixel. If you want to reduce, you can apply the number of pixel. You just need to reduce the number of pixel, then the border will be reduced, or the border radius will be reduced. Okay, so this is how you will apply the reducement of width of border.